Hi, Adi. What's up, my friends? Greeting to all. How you been? I hope you are well. I am good. My name is Lorena Cuesta Palacios. I am a student at Secari University with a bachelor degree in English. Today I am going to present my project entitled The Identification of Sound and Lyrics in English, the Entering of the Listening and Speaking Style, okay? Okay? I am ready? I am ready, my friends. My content title Identification of Sound and Lyrics in English for Entering of the Listening and Speaking Style in student of school, Escuela Normal Superior de Urabá, in Turbo, Antioquia. Research question: How to extend or the listening and speaking skill from the identification of songs and lyrics in the English language in the sexto de grade of the institution Escuela Normal Superior de Urabá, Antioquia. The identification of songs and lyrics in English for the extending of listening and speaking skill. General and specific objective. General objective apply the sing happy strategies to contribute to the identification of sound and lyrics in English language and enhance the listening and speaking skill of the sixth teacher grade student of the institution Escuela Normal Superior de Urabá de Turbo, Antioquia. Objective specific objective promotes the development on speaking and listening skill of sixth grade students through the lesson and learn English strategies. Generate space that encourage the production of sound and conversation in words that contribute to the implementation of the strategies and think happy. Okay? Common. Methodology teach or share. The following methodologies correspond to our teach or qualitative research with an ethnographic approach. Research is qualitative. Population sensitive. My student o de Escuela Normal Superior de Urabá says that. Okay. Context. School, Escuela Normal Superior de Urabá and Educative Community. Instruments, observation, interviews, and questionnaire. Workshop. Research Square observation September diagnosis September 22 and September 28, 29. Application implementation of the proposal September 30, October 21. Date collection October 10, 31. Analysis of result October 24, November 22. Closing of the research proposal November 8 and November 25. Okay? Reference. Evidence. My student. My beautiful student. My student in class. My student in singing, singing. My student of song. Evidence of the project. Video student singing. My student singing. My people, the results of my project in the project archived result in the improvement of the listening and speaking skill. My students, I love you to the music in English. My students to love the sing the song in English. I managed to make English students fall in love the lifelong song in English. They like to sing in English. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye bye.